Ladoo. It is Dinkache Ladoo. So let's start making it. So the ingredients that we need: 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds or khaskhas, 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds, 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews, 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 3/4 cup of kharik powder, 6 tablespoons of ghee, half cup of dink or gone, 1 cup of jaggery powder and 1.5 cup of dry grated cobra or coconut. So first I have heated a pan. In the pan I will add ghee. Next I will add the dink in it. We have to roast it properly. Now I am going to roast the almonds, the cashews, now I am going to roast the khaskhas or the poppy seeds. I will roast the kharik powder with some ghee. And at the last we will have to add the jaggery powder and 2 tablespoons of water. Next we have to make it into a jaggery syrup. It should have 1 string consistency. In a bowl I will crush the dink and then add the other roasted ingredients. So friends, in a big bowl I am going to add all the roasted ingredients: the coconut, the kharik powder, the almonds and cashews, poppy seeds and the elaichi and the nutmeg powder. Now we have to mix all the ingredients. Now I am going to add the jaggery syrup. To mix all the ingredients well, and then we have to make laddu. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel.